Hello again, everybody. It's Stephen Camo, special projects guy at My Mini Casa, here with another tips and tricks video for you. You might find it hard to believe, but I jacked this container up this far off the ground by hand. I didn't use any heavy machinery whatsoever. What I did use was this thing, which is called a container booster, and a 12-ton bottle jack. So let me show you how it's done. Now, raising your container up off the ground can be helpful for a number of reasons. One of them being leveling the container. Often when a container is not level, you'll have problems opening and closing the container doors because there's a slight torque to the container box. Leveling it with these boosters helps ensure that there's smooth operation of opening and closing of the doors. The second is getting a container up off the ground helps increase airflow underneath it, helping to prevent rust from accumulating underneath the container. So let me show you how these things work. First, you take the leveler, or the booster, and you put it in the lift point on the container. You put some blocks underneath it, and then you insert a 12-ton bottle jack, and then just start to jack the container. I have it about an inch off this block now, and you can just continue to alternate putting blocks under the corner and blocks under the jack to raise it up to any height you want. When you're done with raising the container, all you do is release the bottle jack and the container will fall to rest on whatever it is you've put underneath it. So it's really important to pay attention to your fingers, your feet, and other things around this. These containers weigh an awful lot, and you don't want this to come down on your hands or feet. I'll put a URL at the end of this video showing where you can get one of these products, but that's it for now. Thanks for watching and good luck out there.